Well, good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. Temperatures a little varied this morning, but they should perk up, and I think we've got a pretty good chance to get up into the 60s, even with approaching showers. The cooler breezes will take over later on today and tonight, and that'll start knocking those temperatures down. And it does look like there should be enough of a breeze around tomorrow morning where we limit the frost and we also stay above freezing. But we're going to get awfully cold as we head into the upcoming weekend. On the radar picture, I see some showers up to I-10 near Mariana, more back over towards Panama City and out towards Destin. These showers are doing a really good job of holding together and look like they're blooming quite a bit as they work from west to east. So I think there's a really good chance most of our area gets something in a couple 3 hours from now. And I think at that point, we're probably looking at generally less than 1/4 of an inch of rain. A lot of us probably closer to about 1/10 of an inch of rain as this moves through the area. The big energy driving the whole mess is up here across the middle of the country. And as this trough pushes colder air all the way down to the Gulf Coast, it'll be the big weather player for the next couple of days. And that's where I think all our cooler temperatures are going to be coming from. But it's not one of those deals where the boundary passes by, the winds turn northwest, and it's immediately colder. I think it's going to take several hours to start bringing in that cooler air. So we're really going to feel it more tomorrow morning compared to during the day today. 38 degrees at the airport in Tallahassee, the coolest spot around. It's 48 in Valdosta. We're at 45 in Thomasville. There is a pretty good breeze from the south. It's going to perk up a little bit more south and southwest, and that'll bring that surge of warmer air. Look at 60 at Apalachicola, closer to where some of the showers are. Panama City at 56, Mariana at 52, also closer to some of the rain, but also some of our warmer temperatures. It's 52 in Bainbridge. It's 46 in Moultrie. It's only 42 in Cross City. How about 48 degrees in Valdosta? Now, those breezes are going to be noticeable, I think, throughout the day today, tonight, and even early tomorrow. So we're going to be talking about a warmer breeze during the day today, but a cooler one tonight and tomorrow. And once those winds make that turn, that's when we'll start to bring in that cooler air, but it's going to take several hours to really wash that cold air across the region. And as we zoom in on some of those showers, watch what happens here as we go through our morning. It looks like they want to bloom a little bit and give us a pretty good chance to get wet everywhere. So instead of just seeing a couple of piddly little showers here and there, I think maybe a better chance for everybody to get a little something, and likely between, say, 7, 8 o'clock in western areas and 11, 12 o'clock in eastern areas. And then as we get to the afternoon, let's start getting rid of those clouds a lot faster today and this time, and that likely brings in that cooler air for tonight. So it is going to be a cold start to tomorrow. And once we get into the weekend, I think we keep the skies pretty clear most of the weekend. And with those clear skies and those calmer winds Saturday night and Sunday, that's where the really cold air takes over. But things should perk up as we go into the early part of next week. I think I see warmer weather for a big chunk of next week. Small crafts use some caution. The winds will eventually turn to the west and northwest, but probably stay in that 12 to 24 knot range. We have the low tides starting at 9:33 this morning. That's the first wave of tides. I'm going to put the rain chances up to 80% this morning. Sunrise 7:35. I don't expect to find a lot of sunshine early, but I think clearing and breezy this afternoon. Maybe the warmest spots can get to the mid-60s. A lot of us low 60s. Tonight it's going to be mostly mid-30s. Because of that breeze, but it's going to feel colder than it is because of that breeze. So if you've got the early morning tea times tomorrow, going to want to bundle up. And as we go through the day tomorrow, lots of sunshine, but staying cold. Highs likely struggle to get out of the mid-50s. Sunday morning is the coldest, and then we start to warm up. Guys, we could hit 70 in the middle of next week.